which table is longer?
Because it's a test, I'm thinking we're supposed to say the right, but it looks like the left. Inconceivable. Obviously, you want me to choose the file on the right. Because that would be the question.
Beautifully said. Doesn't it look obvious? It seems obvious, right? So then it's like, but now there's the social pressure of like, well, because it's like, so then you start to doubt.
Yeah, like, okay, this trick thing.
Yeah.
Left.
So you're saying the left.
Well, it looks longer to me.
Ellie? Okay. Amy?
Obviously. But she's the one on the left.
Okay. Tanner?
But clearly.
Okay. Anybody choose the one on the right? Okay, so
I think they're the same.
okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put score to this. All right. So if you take this, oh, now I have to go up and turn on my.
These thin people look taller.
That's right.
Yeah.
So
Or tall people. Tall.
where's my? For some reason, I can't get to the top of.
I can
Anyway,
give it a measure if
so-
you'd like me to.
it's Oh, I wonder if I'm zoomed.
Oh wow, that looks. So yours didn't have that
think
apple
that's
on it, just the tables. I wonder if he has a little blanket.
Yeah, I have a blanket. You guys, do you want to need a blanket?
It's freezing, go get
Are
it.
you freezing? Here, let me get a blanket for you. I actually have this really soft blanket.
Oh, that's so kind.
Well, he wants.
Making him
Okay.
get it.
Okay, here we go.
Can you give me a blanket too, Rusty?
Yeah, you want one too? Okay,
We
I got a
have
little
hot chocolate
Jew.
down here in the classroom.
Okay, so check this out.
Wait, I got
Are you ready to have your mind blown?
Yes.
I'm going to move this over here. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to rotate it.
Oh no.
And then flip it. No, flip it that way.
Wait, are you sure you didn't squash it out longer? It looks already distorted from.
I practiced this, but it's so hard when it's up there. There we go. I need to flip it the other way. Yeah. There we go.
You gotta reflect it, not rotate it.
And then when I move it right up, exact same size.
Wow. Wait a minute. Now put it back. It really
See that?
does.
Same size there. And then when I put it back there and go boom, exact same size.
Oh my gosh.
It blows your mind, right?
Yeah.
Even just.
And then you put it back over there
right by it.
and you rotate it again and it's like, nope, sure enough. It's the exact same size. But it's weird because what happens,
Wow.
that's impossible. It's inconceivable. So it's funny because we tend to take things that we observe as being absolute. But the problem is we have all of this processing that's going on because like we just proved that they are the same size. But when you look at this, if you haven't seen it before, you are absolutely, positively, 100% certain this one is the longer table. There are things in your life that you are absolutely, positively certain about that are wrong. Perceptions that you are basing your plan off of, and that you are creating judgments off of, that you are basing behaviors off of, that are absolutely wrong, and it's no fault of yours, it's just that we're human, and so we filter everything through these biases. Score is how you remove bias. Score is how you ensure the things that matter most, that the perception of the things that matter most is real and it's not subject to bias.